Welcome to Vlogmas day 24. On the agenda today is to finish the tree and pack. We did not manage our time the best, and so there's a lot of things that aren't done, but I'm giving myself a lot of grace because I know that I'm still healing, so I'm moving a little bit slower, and also I'm trying to be as mindful as possible to not re-injure myself. So I'm going to take my time, get things packed, finish the tree, and then get on the road. So here we go. All right, everything made it into the car. Now it's time to get on the road.